Hey guys, it's Rachel here with the Curly Hair subscription. I am just doing a two-part review, one for Instagram and one for YouTube, so make sure you catch both of them. Sorry, I literally just woke up. I'm so tired, but I need to wash my hair because, as you can see, it's a hot mess. So today I'm going to be doing two reviews, one for Instagram and one for YouTube, on the product line Urban Therapy Innate Hair Care Collection. So to change up a little bit, all I'm going to do is I'm going to still use my Diva Curl as my No Poo Diva Curl as my shampoo, and then I'm actually going to be using their deep hair mask as my conditioner. So we'll see how this goes, and then afterwards I will be using, this time around, because I'm going to try products different ways because there are no specific directions on the website. I've noticed that. And the back of the bottles are not very specific, as in like they give you directions, but there's no order of products. So it's not like, okay, use this and then use this next and then use this next, which would be really helpful. But that is not on them, and it's not on the website either. So I'm going to be, like I said, using the No Poo shampoo for cleansing, and then I'm going to be using the deep hair mask for my conditioner, and then afterward I will be using their anti-frizz texture cream, and then I will follow it up with this shine mist, which I'm actually pretty excited about because I've been wanting to get a good shine mist. So that's their shine mist. So that is the lineup that I will be using today, and then the next time around I'm actually going to try a different setup where I use their instead of texture cream, I'm going to use their instant hydrating conditioner. From what I read online, it seems like I can just use this as a leave-in and then not have to put any cream. So we'll see. I'm going to try it both ways and see which one works better for me. But yes, that is it for now. I will give you an update soon. It smelled so good, but it was so thick and difficult to get out of that bottle. So I had to unscrew the cap and actually just squeeze it as hard as I could to get the product out. There isn't much slip to this product. It was a little bit more tangled than I would like it to be when I'm trying to detangle my hair in comparison to the Diva Curl. As I sit here and wait for the deep conditioner, it says to wait for 15 minutes, so I'm waiting for my hair to sit for 15 minutes. I'm going to read to you a little bit about their product. So the back of it says that they are paraben free, sulfate free, that word that I can't say, free, phthalates, I can never pronounce that word, cruelty free, no mineral oil, and grain alcohol free. So those are a bunch of really big deals. I still need to actually go through the ingredients list to see if this is curly girl friendly or not. I have not done that yet, so I will be doing that once I finish doing my hair. So yeah, just letting it sit for 10 minutes or 15 minutes, I'm sorry, and we will see soon. Fortunately, there was literally no slip in this product, so I had a really hard time applying it and a hard time coiling my hair as well. Alright, I have had my hair in a wet plop for about 20 minutes while I did my makeup, and so I'll take it out, see how it looks. Just gonna scrunch it. This just takes out all the remaining moisture that I can grab with this out. And besides, scrunching never hurts anybody. Okay, so my hair. I don't want it to dry. Okay, so what I ended up using was the No Poo shampoo, or the No Poo cleanser from Diva Curl, and then I use the deep conditioner, deep hair mask from Innate, the hair care collection. So I'm sorry, I'm just cleaning them because they're really dirty. Well, not dirty, but I have product all over them. So yes, I use this as my conditioner, and then I use this in replacement of my cream that I would normally Diva Curl, or that I would normally use my Diva Curl cream. So this is what I replaced it with. So I have nothing else in my hair. Literally, those are the 3 products that I used. All I did was plop when I was finished with my cotton t-shirt, and then that was it. So I will give you an update once it is dry, and then I'll give you an overview of how I felt about the entire product. Okay, so here it is. It is dry. It took about 2 hours to air dry because I do not do fuse. It took about 2 hours, which isn't too bad. It's about average, and it's completely dry. So I have not fluffed, I have not picked out, I have not done anything yet. Just to talk about the product really fast. So I actually just read through all of the ingredients list. And if it is accurate, it is curly girl friendly, which is pretty exciting, if I don't say so myself. And this is with both the deep hair mask, the anti-frizz texture cream, and the shine mist, which I put at the very end. That would make me at 4, or that would put me at 4 products. So I went through all of these, and I did not read anything that would be a drying alcohol or any type of product that you don't want to put in your hair. So yeah, we'll see. Anyway, all right, I'm gonna pick out my hair really fast, and then we'll see how it looks. Guys, oh my gosh, look at my hair. Like, what? I just separated my curls and I picked it. Stuff is actually pretty amazing. Wow. I'm gonna be honest with you, I was not expecting this. Wow. It looks really good, and to top everything off, it's really soft. My hands feel just a little bit greasy, but it's actually less greasy, dare I say, than the Diva Curl, which is pretty crazy to me because I'm not used to that. So, and my hair feels really clean. It feels super soft. It's not crunchy at all. It's super fluffy. I have a lot of volume in there, and I'm sure I'll have even more by tomorrow. This is just day 1, so it's not going to be as much volume, but this was literally just the No Poo. Didn't drop it. That was on purpose. All right. So I did the No Poo for the cleanser, then I used the deep hair mask to deep condition. I used the anti-frizz texture cream to put in my hair. Once it air dried, completely air dried, I went ahead and just squirted 1 squirt on my hands and just mixed it in and then scrunched it in. I only used 3 pumps of this, so like 1 on one side, 1 on the other, and then I flipped my head over and did it on the top. So my hair is really soft, really shiny, really clean feeling. I'm surprised. I'm actually really surprised. I'm telling you, I was extremely skeptical. Wow, I can't talk today. Going into this, I did not think it was gonna work. I mean, yeah, I give it 2 thumbs up. Seriously, I'm shocked. I'm shocked. It's awesome. All right. Any questions, just comment below. Make sure you subscribe to the Curly Hair channel. This is Rachel. Until next time, I have a crying baby outside, so I gotta go get him.